garlic split chickpea casserole, or garlic split chickpea stew, or garlic split chickpea bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes. Today we are going to make garlic split chickpea stew. We have taken around 100 grams of split chickpea or chana dal, nicely soaked in water. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. You can Saute. Garlic mix. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly saute and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Saute thoroughly. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the split chickpea. Into the mixture. salt and mix. In the casserole. Pour in 200 ml of water. Mix. And close. And let this mixture cook for 45 minutes in high heat. Now put in some curry leaves. Now the garlic split chickpea casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. The final garlic split chickpea casserole or Lasun Chana Dal Kadai Masala, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.